You speak good Hindi, but the thing is what we don't understand, yaar. Your Hindi is good, ours is not. So make some videos in English, make some reviews in English so that we can be able to understand you. So guys, let's get started with our new program. I'm gonna be telling you reviews in English. I'm gonna be posting like English review video once in a week so that all of the people can really understand me. So basically my English video is gonna be for all of you people. And really thank you for loving this channel so much. You support us really good, and the whole India is showing pure love towards our channel. Not only India, but videos are reaching outside India, even in Pakistan, even in United States, even in Kuwait. I am very grateful to all of you. Right, so guys, let's get started to our first review in English. So we're gonna be reviewing your favorite brand of UK today, right? So guys, I'm gonna be introducing you guys to MyProtein Impact Whey Protein. Yes, this is like one of the hottest selling thing in India, but because the protein provides you much higher servings than any other protein, and the quality of protein is very good. It's manufactured in UK, and let me tell you one thing, the quality of protein they provide you in UK is very good. UK is United Kingdom, not Uttarakhand. Alright, yeah. So guys, let's start our review. Impact Protein provides you first of all, let me tell you that it provides you 2.5 kg of packaging, and it has 100 servings. So you're going to be getting 100 scoops in this whole packet, correct? They provide you many flavors. I have Thandai flavor, I have masala chai flavor, I have chocolate, strawberry, many flavors, and company provides you more than 18 to 20 flavors, and company is doing really well with all the flavors. I mean, all the flavors are really hot selling, correct? So guys, let's start a review. MyProtein Impact Whey is a pure vegetarian protein. It can be used by both male and female, so anyone can use it without any issue. The quality of protein, the quality of milk they use while processing the whey protein concentrate is very good, without any growth hormones, without any artificial substance. They provide you pure milk protein concentrate, correct? So guys, let's talk about the nutrition fact of this lovely protein. Impact Whey Protein provides you 25 grams of scoop, and it provides you 100 servings. I have told you that. The nutrition information, you're getting energy 99 kcal, protein you are getting 19.7 grams. See, protein is different in every flavor. Some flavor provide you 18 grams of protein, some provides you 20 grams of protein, some provides you 19 grams of protein. The carbohydrates they are providing you is 1 gram, of which the sugars they are only providing you 1 gram. If you see, the carbohydrates and sugars are very less, and the fat they are providing you is 1.8 gram. So basically you can say the profile is really good. See, this protein can be used in every goal you want. If you want to go for weight loss, it can help you. If you want to go for muscle gain, it can help you. If you want to only go for the maintenance phase, it can help you. See, all totally depends on your diet, that what you eat. If you want to gain, you have to go in calorie surplus. If you want to lose, you have to go in calorie deficit. And if you want to go for the maintenance phase, you have to be maintaining your regular calories, correct? This is not something different from your diet. This is a part of your diet, so consider it as your diet only. This is not something, a magical thing you're gonna eat and you're gonna gain some muscle. This is not like that. You have to be consistent. You have to be consistent towards your exercise. You have to be consistent towards your diet, so it's gonna help you a lot, okay? But if you totally depend on this thing, don't waste your money, correct? So guys, let me tell you how to use this protein. First, let's talk about the ingredients of this protein. Whey protein concentrate from milk, 96.3%. Then emulsifier, they are providing you soya and sunflower lecithin. Flavoring, sweetener, they provide you natural and artificial sweetener. The sucralose they provide you. So let me tell you how you gonna use this protein. So you have to take 2 scoops a day. The protein they are providing you is 19 grams. If you take 2 scoops a day, you're gonna be having 38 grams of protein. You have to take 1 scoop in morning and 1 scoop after workout, and vice versa. If you do workout in morning, take it as a post workout, and in night you can have it before your sleep. So it's gonna be giving you very good recovery, because see, our sleep time is a recovery time. If you put good raw materials in our body, it's gonna be giving you so much of more recovery, correct? So guys, let's talk about the official importer stamp. Imported by MSM Retail Private Limited. Exclusive India distributor is Uniglobal Distributor Private Limited. The MRP they provide you is 7599, 7600 only. But Shirsai Nutrition gonna be providing you the best price you will ever have. So it's gonna cost you flat for 600 rupees with GST billing and free shipping all over India. And we provide you 110% genuinity surety that you're gonna be getting a very good genuine product from our store. And whenever you order, we're gonna be sending you some really good gifts with the order, right? So guys, for ordering your My Protein Impact Whey, you can call or WhatsApp at the below number, or you can directly order it from our website. Again, the thing is that we gonna be providing you the best quality of product in all over India and with the best pricing with it, correct? So guys, I hope you like the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, Dhairya.Bajaj and Shirsaai Nutri, so you're gonna be getting updates every day, right? So guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.